Here I am at Fantasiana in Austria on board Helios, their new for 2025 Mack Rides Stryker Coaster. Onboard audio, 3 inversions, 75 foot tall. Here we go. Wow! And we're back to air time. Love that air time. Oh, it's a corkscrew. Oh, downward barrel roll drop. Woo! More air time. Through the station corkscrew. This thing is packing a punch. Back into the break. It's a short ride, but honestly it packs a punch. Awesome. Helios, what a brilliant coaster. And of course, get out there and keep on riding. See you in the next video.